Discover untapped investment and market sentiment hiding in plain sight in today's daily Reddit insight for July 22nd. Ethereum bullish rebound. Recent volatility shakes confidence. Single-user optimism risks confirmation bias. Investors face fear of missing gains while wary of losses. Opportunity arises buying dips, scaling into long positions. Combine technical and fundamental research, diversify and manage risk prudently. Genius Act, ripple effect, regulatory uncertainty clouds XRP valuation. Adverse legislative shifts may spark sell-offs. Study bill specifics, track lawmaker signals, accumulate unfavorable provisions, or deploy protective strategies if regulatory tone turns negative, to exploit volatility and safeguard capital. JPMorgan crypto lending ignites institutional wave. Institutional investors lack liquidity, legitimacy, and secure frameworks for digital assets, stalling widespread adoption. Accumulate BTC, ETH, and crypto equity positions before lending programs scale. Leveraging institutional capital flood for returns amid improving regulatory clarity. Bullish surge on Opendoor. FOMO from historic 100x gains, potential overconfidence, high growth volatility, sector risks. Study current fundamentals, compare to Carvana, consider staggered entries, long-dated ITM calls, disciplined risk controls to ride anticipated supersonic upside while protecting capital and confidence. Cash-secured put income strategy. Pain. Traditional yields lag. Volatility scares. Undisciplined trades erode gains. Chance. Screen stocks ROE over 10%. Sell 5 to 15% OTM puts expiring 20 to 30 days. Target 20% plus annualized premium. Accept assignment gladly on fundamentally strong companies during pullbacks. ETH ETF inflows signal upside, Bitcoin outflows highlight sentiment shift, and fears of BTC underperformance. Investors face allocation uncertainty, seize opportunity by rotating capital into Ethereum, tracking institutional buys, leveraging inflow momentum for short to medium-term gains with prudent risk management. APLD options momentum. Sky-high 113% annualized 10-day gains attract speculators, but signal extreme volatility and leverage risk. Embrace disciplined position sizing, tight stop losses, rapid profit-taking, and option spreads to harness short-term upside while containing downside today for controlled risk exposure. Altcoin volume surge. Traders face amplified volatility, reversals, and liquidity traps despite 100% futures volume jump. Capture upside by focusing on high-cap altcoins, setting tight risk controls, leveraging short-term momentum, and monitoring funding rates for sentiment shifts in real time. JPMorgan crypto-backed loans legitimacy. Pain, lingering skepticism, thin liquidity, regulatory fog, retail excluded from institutional capital flows, price swings deter adoption, yield opportunities missed. How? Accumulate major coins, leverage custody, seek loan products, monitor policy updates, position early before influx. Open, volatility goldmine, pain points, violent price swings, elevated risk, pressure, capital at stake. How to get the chance? Track pre-market volume. Enter fast, lock profits, use tight stops, prefer options for leverage, keep position durations short, accept speculative nature. Microsoft long-term core holding. Investors fear market volatility and unreliable growth. Answer: keep or add MSFT, combining mega-cap safety with 20% 5-year CAGR. Stay patient, compound returns. Resist selling to capture continued bullish appreciation while enjoying dividends and cloud-driven expansion. Dollar open, volatility jackpot, pain, brutal swings, massive drawdowns, premium decay, psychological strain, capital loss risk. Chance, play speculative long calls, size small, monitor momentum, short interest, set strict exits, only expend disposable funds, expect volatility, embrace quick profit targets, discipline. High conviction Bitcoin allocation, oversized 65% BTC exposure heightens volatility, concentration risk, potential regulatory and market shocks. Investors may suffer severe drawdowns and stress. To seize upside, allocate gradually, diversify around BTC, hedge with stable assets, monitor signals, plan exits. Cisco AI value play. Investors face uncertainty over true AI relevance and market skepticism about its undervaluation. Thorough due diligence and early accumulation at discounted prices position buyers to capture upside when Cisco's infrastructure strengths align with expanding AI demand. Shift from memes to value. Bullish UNH leaps, pain, speculative hype, swings, portfolio drawdowns erode confidence, opportunity, embrace fundamentals, accumulate quality healthcare giant, deploy long-dated call leaps for controlled leverage, horizon, compounding gains as earnings and sector stability drive appreciation. UNH long-term premium strategy, healthcare volatility and macro uncertainty leave cash idle, risking opportunity cost. Sell December 2027 $210 cash secured puts, pocket 108K premium, or acquire UNH shares at discounted price, lowering basis while betting on stability and gradual appreciation.